Kalshi is a financial platform that aims to completely change how we think about trading by letting you trade on the outcome of real-world events. Imagine you could make money by predicting whether interest rates will rise or fall, whether a specific piece of legislation will pass, or even if the next blockbuster movie will win an Oscar. Kalshi lets you do just that by offering what's called event contracts. This is a new asset class where instead of betting on stocks or commodities, you're speculating on actual events. It's a binary setup. You predict whether something will happen or not, and if you're right, you make a profit. What makes Kalshi stand out is its simplicity and accessibility. In the past, complex trading strategies and prediction markets were mostly for the big players, the banks, hedge funds, and institutional investors. But Kalshi is breaking down those barriers, putting the power of prediction into the hands of everyday people like you and me. You don't need a finance degree to get started, you just need a strong opinion about the future, whether you're predicting the next presidential election outcome or forecasting the impact of a new climate policy. You can engage with these predictions on Kalshi in a straightforward way. You're essentially trading your insights into tangible assets, which can be both exciting and potentially profitable. The platform is built to be intuitive, and it's regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, which gives it a lot of credibility and security. That means you can trade with the confidence that Kalshi is operating transparently and your transactions are secure. Plus, the range of topics you can trade on is pretty vast, covering everything from political events like elections or court rulings to entertainment predictions such as which movie will win the most awards or which artist will top the charts. This variety makes Kalshi more engaging than traditional stock trading, especially for those with specific interests outside of the financial markets. On the downside, Kalshi is still relatively new, and while the concept is innovative, it may take some time for more people to grasp how to best use the platform. Also, while the user experience is generally smooth, the success of your trades heavily depends on how accurately you predict events, which can be tough given the unpredictability of real-world outcomes. Moreover, Kalshi charges transaction fees, though they're notably lower than many other financial platforms. Still, if you're someone who's just getting into trading, you might find the learning curve a little steeper than expected. Ultimately, Kalshi presents a unique opportunity for those who want to leverage their knowledge and insights about the world, turning predictions into profit. It's democratizing the world of predictions and giving everyone a chance to participate in markets that were once inaccessible. If you like the idea of trading on the future, this could be a platform worth checking out. And just be aware, as with any form of trading, there's a risk involved, and you'll need to stay informed to make the most of it.